You just found the 2022 Genesis GV80. This elegant, tech-savvy GV80 delivers a fresh take on midsize luxury. From its standard suite of driver assist and infotainment features to its calming cabin, no-nonsense acceleration, and uncluttered style, this SUV was designed with your generation in mind. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows, power door locks, power steering. Solid capability meets modern style in this GV80. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.